In this demonstration, we'll explore Zeijerman's dynamic swing anchored VWAP, a unique interpretation of the volume-weighted average price that continuously anchors at new swing pivots. Unlike a standard VWAP that resets with each session, this version attaches itself to key turning points in price structure, providing a more fluid view of how value evolves as market conditions shift. As you can see, each new swing high or swing low becomes the starting point for a fresh VWAP calculation. The indicator detects these pivots automatically using a configurable swing period to define how significant a reversal needs to be before a new anchor is placed. From that anchor, the VWAP line adjusts dynamically, following price while taking volume into account at every bar. What sets this version apart is its adaptive nature. Instead of applying a fixed lookback or averaging window, it uses an internal variable called adaptive price tracking. This parameter converts volatility and price movement into a smoothing factor that determines how tightly the VWAP follows price. When volatility increases, the calculation speeds up, keeping the line responsive. When markets calm down, the smoothing lengthens, creating a steadier, less reactive curve. By enabling automatic adaptation, the indicator measures the ratio of current volatility to its longer-term average and adjusts itself accordingly. This allows the VWAP to stay relevant in both trending and consolidating phases. The visual cues are straightforward. Swing points are marked on the chart, showing where the indicator has identified a higher high, higher low, lower high, or lower low. The VWAP lines change color to reflect directional bias, green when anchored from a low and red when anchored from a high. These color transitions make it easy to track the flow of trend behavior over time, especially when scanning between time frames. However, there are limitations to keep in mind. The indicator relies heavily on accurate swing detection, which means lower period settings can produce excessive pivots in choppy or low-volume markets. Likewise, if the adaptive tracking value is too sensitive, the VWAP may hug price too closely and lose its filtering quality. On thinly traded instruments, sudden spikes in volume can also distort the calculation temporarily, so context is essential when interpreting the line. For a more complete analysis, this tool works best when combined with other indicators. Pairing it with the volume delta indicator or ease of movement can provide insight into whether price swings are backed by genuine participation. Using it alongside the Klinger oscillator or Chaikin oscillator helps confirm whether volume flow supports the VWAP direction. And when combined with structural tools like FluxChart's volumized order blocks or dynamic RSI regression bands, it helps refine entry and exit timing within broader zones of value. The indicator is ultimately designed to highlight how price and volume interact at key inflection points. It's not a standalone trading signal, but a context tool, one that visualizes balance and imbalance dynamically, helping you interpret transitions in market control with greater clarity.